What's up, everybody? This is Hunter and Daddy here, and we're here gonna build a Rick and Morty Lego set.
We're building.
Yep. So
my assistant here, Hunter, he's gonna be building these guys.
Yeah, but I and Daddy's gonna be building the building.
Try to.
And here's the set we're gonna be building.
Look at that guy's eyes. What the hell's wrong with him?
I do not know what's wrong with Rick. But today, now we're going to do cam view.
Yes, we are. Okay, that seems a little wrong with what they're showing there, but okay. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, next step is this. Here we are. We're building the platform.
Yeah. Hold on, put the camera down. Put the camera down.
Well, here, I need to move that over there, buddy.
We're building the platform. Yeah, nice and steady.
Yep.
And we have a plumbus. Face the plumbus. Face the plumbus. Face the plumbus.
Alright, we're back.
Face
we don't know what the hell that is, but it's kind of cool looking. Okay, here we go. What's next? Give me that piece.
Grab one of these.
Okay, let's look at what we have here.
But also,
so,
again,
Hunter's supposed to be the blueprint guy, and that's what our drawings look like. Oh no, look, is that your finger?
That's actually not a drawing, but still.
Yeah.
Eat the plumbers. Eat the plumbers.
Oh no, that looks like some kind of turd reject. Alright, here we go.
So the first step is...
Mind if I look at those two?
Yep.
Alright, let's see here. 1, 2, 3.
Right, looking at it. Eat the plumbers. Eat it. Eat the plumbers.
Okay. 1, 3.
Eat the plumbers.
Okay, I see where we're at.
I feel like I'm doing something mean. Plumbus.
Yeah, these gotta move over a little more. They always make these things fucking difficult.
And this looks like it's another version of a person.
Where?
It looks like it's another version of a person. Blah, blah, blah.
Okay. Here, go ahead and pause that, and we'll turn it back on here when we get a little further.
No, there's a thing there you can fast forward.
Yeah, but we can't have it run in the whole time.
Yes, we should. That's how YouTube videos
It's
work.
gonna burn up everything. Let me see. Drawings.
I've made something
Here we
that's
go.
long, and guess
Number 2.
what? It never did that.
Okay, what do we have there?
We have one, we need...
So this one's gonna go right there.
How we're supposed to do this is we need 1, 2, 3... We need one square tile, 1 turd tile. Just kidding.
They don't look right at all the way they got it. But okay.
Hold up.
We got a malfunction here.
We have a 1 tile, a 3 tile, and then you need a 4 tile.
I had it right the first time. Like that, and then like this.
And also again.
And then that one clips there, buddy.
Eat the plumbus. Eat this plumbus. It's right close to you. You better eat it.
Yeah, eat it. Here, make him eat it.
Okay.
Hey, what the hell you got there?
Get over.
Hey, you ripped my head off, you freak. Here.
Okay.
Hey, how about this?
We're back. Yeah.
Since we're doing that. This fucking guy looks like he used to be part of the Rugrats back in the day, but now he looks like he's on drugs. I mean, I don't know what else to say about him. One of the Rugrats went bad. Alright. He's right there with the Olsen twins.
Okay,
What'd you do with the...
Back to the part where you make Morty eat the plumbus.
Here we go.
Oh, what the hell you got there, Rick? Eat the plumbus.
Hey,
That's
buddy.
not Rick. What are you doing? Hold up, wait, hold up.
Hey,
What are you doing to me?
We gotta build
Stop it. Eat the plumbus. Eat the plumbus. Eat Eat it.
Yeah, this guy will.
Okay, Rick. Now you're gonna feel the pain. Eat the plumbers.
Here we got another curve.
What is that jazz?
I can't do it without the drawings, buddy. You can see what we're doing here.
Give me instructions.
Instructions.
Now that's plumbus fun. But now it's on the face the tiles. Face the tiles.
Okay, I need the long one too. So that goes like that.
It's weird like we're explaining how to do it.
And so we have to do the long one there. I see.
I like
Okay.
it.
So we need these ones next. It's gonna be the long flat one. Oh man, you're a freak.
Bendy. Hey Dad, look what I'm doing in the meantime.
What are you doing?
I'm advertising Bendy. Bendy, get one and get your horror movie started and make your horror movie come to life.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Buy it
Good, quiet down, buddy.
for
you don't
free.
say that name either.
What?
Mindy.
Oh, that's the, yeah, that's the toy's name. Hey,
Yeah.
see, you're yelling it out, right?
Hey, look what Bendy's holding.
What?
Look at the number promise number one.
Yeah, this one goes.
Number one. I'm sorry, we just get too distracted on the plumbers.
Here, shut that off for a minute.